Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Sonic Pro Dental Cleaning Pot. The Sonic Pro Dental Cleaning Pot offers a professional-grade cleaning solution for dental appliances at home, priced at $72.95. Using dual-action ultrasonic waves at 43 kHz combined with UVC light, it effectively removes dirt, gunk, stains, and bacteria from retainers, dentures, mouthguards, braces, toothbrush heads, jewelry, and more. With two cleaning modes, normal for 3 minutes and deep clean for 5 minutes, it provides a tailored, thorough clean without the need for tablets or scrubbing. Its compact design and 165ml stainless steel tank making it convenient for everyday use, and it is FSA or HSA eligible, adding a financial benefit for healthcare spending accounts. Customer reviews on Amazon are mostly positive. Users highlight the cleaner's effectiveness, noting that it does an excellent job disinfecting night guards, retainers, and dental trays. Many appreciate how simple it is to operate, with minimal setup required, and consider this cost-effective way to maintain hygiene for dental appliances. While some reviewers mention it is quieter than expected, a few reported that it can be slightly noisy during operation. Durability feedback is mixed. Some users find the device long-lasting and well-built, while others experience issues over time. Overall, most customers feel it provides excellent cleaning performance for the price. Overall, the Sonic Pro Dental Cleaning Pot is a reliable, easy-to-use option for anyone looking to maintain clean and hygienic dental appliances at home. It combines convenience, advanced technology, and affordable, making it a practical additional to daily oral care routines. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.